The U.S. Supreme Court decided not to step in and rule on a case related to benefits for same-sex couples. This leaves in place a ruling by the Texas Supreme Court that current law on gay marriage does not fully cover spousal benefits. KXAN's Wes Rappaport has details.
Today.
This was the stream of happy couples getting their marriage licenses in Travis County in 2015 after a landmark ruling by the Supreme Court legalizing same-sex marriage. For gay couples where one works for a city or county, it's a bit more complicated. The Supreme Court announced Monday it would not get involved in a different case related to government-subsidized benefits for same-sex couples. This stems from a lawsuit from Houston where city employees are offered benefits. A pair of residents sued, saying that taxpayers should not fund those benefits.
We're grateful of a very early Christmas present on behalf of Houston taxpayers and the rule of law across the state of Texas.
An attorney representing those two Houston taxpayers, Jonathan Sines, says the High Court's prior ruling that legalized gay marriage did not fully address benefits. LGBT rights advocates say same-sex couples are entitled to all benefits afforded to opposite-sex couples.
The U.S. Supreme Court was abundantly clear in their ruling that they weren't just talking about the performance of a marriage ceremony. They were in fact talking about all the benefits that flow from the institution of marriage.
Right now, government entities are not required to provide benefits to spouses of employees, though many choose to do so. Wes Rappaport, KXAN News.
Houston's request denied by the Supreme Court today follows the 2015 ruling in Obergefell v. Hodges legalizing same-sex marriage across the country. That's when a Texas court first ruled in this case, centered on the city of Houston's benefits policy, saying that spouses of gay and lesbian public employees are entitled to government-subsidized same-sex benefits. Well, in June, that decision was thrown out by the Texas Supreme Court, who said the Obergefell case requires states to recognize same-sex marriage, but does not require them to provide publicly funded benefits to all married people. The city of Houston filed an appeal to the U.S. Supreme Court, arguing the state's high court disregarded precedent. Because the U.S. Supreme Court declined to weigh in, a lower Texas court can take up the case and make a decision about Houston's policy.